Hi guys, we send lock phones from China. We make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience in lock phones and Xiaomi smartphones since 2010. We can make free importing duty to Europe Union countries by fast shipping. We can deliver the global version lock phones and global version Xiaomi smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and other cities in mainland of China. I will put B2B the contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the lock phone, you can place us order directly. We will make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of lock phones and Xiaomi global version smartphones, you can contact with us. This is Oukitel WP8 Pro. Let's unbox it and review the lock phone. It is a 6.49 inch, 6.5 inch HD plus water drop display, 1560 pixels by 720 pixels. Its CPU is MTK 6762D octa-core Android 10 operating system, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. Its front camera is 8 megapixel. Main camera are triple camera, 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 0.3 megapixel. The battery built-in is 5000 mAh battery built-in, and it supports NFC, IP68 and IP69K waterproof lock phone, and it supports dual nano SIM card, or it supports 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Let's review the lock phone. Here's the menu. Here's warranty certificate. Cable, USB cable, micro USB cable, and OTG cable. The phone supports OTG. Here's the charger. A simple Europe charger. The quality is very good quality. The phone have two colors. The lock phone have two colors. Black color and orange color. This one is orange color. Here's power. Here's a smart button, fast button you can set up, and volume down, volume up. Here's micro USB cable, USB port. Fingerprint, power on off button, and it's made camera. The phone supports NFC. Made camera, 16 megapixel. 2 megapixel and 0.3 megapixel. Here at the top is a headphone jack. Power on off button. The lock phone is very thin, not big. It is a large display, large screen, 6.5, 19.5 to 9 radio, Android 10 operating system, 5V 2 ampere. The fast charging supports Face ID, face unlock, fingerprint. Okay, now let's turn it on. It supports all Google applications. You can see all Google applications and Google Play Store. Setup, water drop display. You can see, and here an NFC function. System about languages it supports. Here are all the languages support. Let's make a photo to see its camera. We can see the details. Can have a look at the details. And the phone supports dual nano SIM card, or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Here's the SIM card slot. Take it out. Now we can dual nano SIM card, or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Fingerprint. Here's the fast button. The fast button, side key function. Can set up as you want. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B the business of lock phones and Xiaomi global version smartphones, you can contact with us. That's all.